So I've been doing a lot of painting lately. So in this video, I just wanted to share how I clean out my brush when I'm done to keep it working like new. So the first thing I do is rinse out as much of the paint as I can with hot water. And it's important to do this as soon as you get done painting. Don't go have dinner, don't drink a beer, just go right to the sink and start rinsing out your brush. This will give you the best results. And if any paint does end up drying onto the brush, I just scrape that off with my fingernails. Then I found the best thing to use to clean my brush is actually just dish soap. It works really well and it keeps the bristles soft. And who doesn't like having soft bristles? I just work that in, massage it into the brush without being too rough because you don't want to damage the bristles. And then I just rinse it out with plenty of water. You want to use hot water, rinse it from different angles, massage the paint out, and the idea is you don't want any paint or any soap left in the brush when you're done. When you fan out the brush, like when you shake it to dry it out, all of the water that comes out should be clear. If there's any color, like any white from the soap or any paint color left, then you didn't rinse it out well enough. And then after that, all you have to do is dry the brush out really well, and you're done. I mean, this method only takes about 5 minutes of your time. And if you do it right, then you'll have a brand new brush practically every time you go to paint.